My name is Anaya. Today, I am going to tell you how to speak fluent English in just 30 days. It is not easy, but it is not impossible. If you practice every day and follow simple steps, you can do it. I will help you understand how to do it. I will use simple English so you can understand easily. Speaking English fluently means you can talk clearly and without stopping too much. It means you can speak your thoughts easily in English. It does not mean you have to use difficult words or perfect grammar. Simple and correct English is enough. You can start today and see progress every day. In the beginning, you must start with listening. Listening is very important. Listen to English every day. You can listen to English videos, English podcasts, or watch English cartoons. Choose easy videos. If you are a beginner, cartoons and simple conversation videos are best for you. Listen for 30 minutes every day. If you don't understand everything, it is okay. Just try to catch the words you know. Listen again and again. When you hear a word many times, you remember it. You also learn how to say it correctly. Try to repeat the words after the speaker. This helps you improve your pronunciation and fluency. The next step is learning new words. You must learn 10 to 15 new words every day. Choose simple and useful words. Learn the names of things around you, like table, chair, phone, fan bottle, and bag. Learn action words like eat, go, sleep, write, talk, and run. Learn question words like what, where, when, who, why, and how. Write the words in a notebook. Try to use them in simple sentences. For example, say, I eat rice. She goes to school. He sleeps at 10 o'clock. Speak these sentences many times in a day. The more you use the words, the better you remember them. You also need to learn simple grammar. Don't worry about big grammar rules. Just learn how to make basic sentences. Start with present simple sentences. For example, I go to work. She eats food. We play cricket. Then learn present continuous. I am going. He is eating. They are playing. Learn past simple. I went to school. He ate food. We played football. Learn future simple. I will go. She will come. They will help. These are the most common sentence types. Make many examples. Change the subject and verb. Speak them aloud every day. Speaking is the most important part. You must speak every day. Speak even if you are alone. Speak in front of a mirror. Talk to yourself. Say what you are doing. Say, I am brushing my teeth. Now I am eating breakfast. I will go to the market. Describe your day in English. Talk about your family, your home, your job, your school, or your hobbies. If you have a friend or family member who also wants to learn English, practice with them. Ask questions and answer them. For example, what is your name? My name is Anaya. Where are you from? I am from India.
What do you do? I am a student. Speaking every day will make you more confident. You should also try to think in English. Many people think in their own language and then translate. This takes time and slows you down. Try to think directly in English.
If you see a tree, think tree, not the word in your language. If you are walking, think I am walking, not the translation. This habit will help you speak faster and more naturally. Start thinking in English from morning to night. Describe what you do. Think simple thoughts like, I am going to cook. I like tea. It is raining today. This will train your brain to use English all the time.
Reading helps a lot. Read simple English books or articles. Start with children's storybooks or easy dialogues. Read for 15 minutes every day. Read aloud.
This helps your speaking and pronunciation. When you see a new word, underline it, write it down, and learn it. Use it in your speaking and writing.
Reading shows you how sentences are made. You learn grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure from reading. Choose topics you like.
If you enjoy reading, you will learn faster. You can also read English signs, menus, and short news in English. Writing supports speaking. Write 5 to 10 sentences every day. Write about your day. For example, I woke up at 6 o'clock. I brushed my teeth. I had tea. I went to the market. Keep your writing simple and correct.
Then read what you wrote. Speak it aloud. This will improve your speaking and also help you remember words and sentence patterns. You can also write about your dreams, your favorite food, your goals, or what you want to do tomorrow. Writing helps you organize your thoughts in English. Set a daily routine. Give at least 1 hour every day to English. Divide your time like this: 15 minutes listening, 10 minutes learning new words, 15 minutes speaking, 10 minutes reading, and 10 minutes writing.
If you can give more time, that's even better. But the key is to practice every single day.
Even 30 minutes daily will help if you are regular. Don't skip practice. If you stop, your progress will slow down. Make English part of your life. After 10 days, you will see that you can understand more and speak more. After 15 days, you will be able to talk about yourself easily. You will be able to ask and answer questions. You will know more words. You will feel more confident. Now you should try to speak for longer. Try to speak for 1 or 2 minutes on a topic. For example, speak about your family. Say, I live with my parents. I have 1 brother. My father is a doctor. My mother is a teacher. We live in a small house.
You can also talk about your daily routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get ready. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I come back at 2 o'clock. I study in the evening. Try to speak without stopping. From day 16 to day 30, increase your speaking time. Try to speak for 3 to 5 minutes. Choose different topics. Speak about your best friend, your favorite movie, your school life, your favorite festival, or your future plans.
Don't worry about small mistakes. Just keep speaking. Record your voice if possible. Listen to it. See where you can improve. Try to speak again with better words and better flow. Practice questions and answers. Make a list of questions and answer them. Practice them with someone or say them to yourself. You can also use mobile apps or websites for practice. Many free apps help you learn English step by step. Some apps help you talk to other learners. You can also find English speaking groups online, join them, and practice with real people. If you use English in real situations, you will learn faster. Try to speak English in shops, at work, or with friends. Use simple English, but speak it with confidence. The more you speak, the better you become. Stay motivated. Sometimes you will feel tired. Sometimes you will feel like you are not improving. But don't stop. Keep going. Remind yourself why you are learning English. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to study abroad. Maybe you want to talk to people from other countries. Your reason is your strength. Be proud of your progress. Every new word you learn is a step forward. Every sentence you speak is success. After 30 days of daily practice, you will be able to speak English fluently at a beginner level. You will be able to speak clearly and easily. You will understand most simple English. You will be able to ask and answer questions. You will be able to talk about yourself, your life, your thoughts, and your plans.